Become a YouTuber. If you like making videos, then becoming a YouTuber is an excellent business opportunity. YouTube is the world's largest video hosting platform, the second most popular search engine, and a massive global community of content creators. It allows anyone to upload videos, create channels, and make money from advertisements, sponsorships, and deals. Some YouTubers make millions of dollars each year, and thousands of YouTubers earn a six-figure income. You can create videos on any topic. You can upload personal vlogs, educational channels like WP Beginner, video reviews, a cooking channel, or almost anything you can think of. Become an Instagram star. If you like taking photos and making videos, then you should consider Instagram to start a lucrative online business. Instagram users make significant money through sponsorships, product placements, endorsements, and more. You will need a camera, some basic photo editing skills, and creativity to get started. After that, you need a consistent strategy to regularly post new content. You should master the art of using hashtags to promote your Instagram posts and share them on your website to reach audiences beyond Instagram. You will also need a website with a contact form page, so advertisers can reach out to buy placements. Become a video editor. If you like making videos and editing them but don't want to start a YouTube channel, then you can still use your skills to help other businesses. Due to the immense popularity of YouTube and Facebook videos, businesses around the world need professionals who can edit their videos. You can start by looking for gigs on freelancing websites. At first, you will be working with random clients, but shortly after, you will have a few regular clients offering you enough work to cover your time. You can then grow your business to start an agency or hire other freelancers to help out. Don't know how to make or edit videos? Don't worry, there are plenty of online resources offering free and paid tutorials and courses. You can invest some time in learning the basic skills and start working right away. Become a narrator. Narrators provide voice talent to video creators, filmmakers, and other digital content producers. A lot of YouTube channels are actively looking for people to narrate videos. Some basic voice training can help you easily start a profitable career. You will need a good quality mic. We recommend Samsung mic or Rode Podcaster, and audio recording software to record your voiceovers. You can then send the audio files to the client so they can use them in their video. You can find jobs on freelancing websites, and very quickly build a steady stream of clients. Offer technical support. Do you like helping out people on tech forums? If you do, then you can explore opportunities to get paid for that. A lot of online businesses are actively looking for technical support providers to help their customers. Basically, you need to familiarize yourself with the product and start answering questions. Many companies use live chat or a support ticketing system to answer customer questions. Often these jobs are remote, which means you can work from your own home.